Have you ever dreamt of paradise? Picture this: sun-drenched hills, rolling vineyards that stretch as far as the eye can see, the aroma of freshly baked bread and simmering pasta sauces wafting through the air. This isn't a dream, it's Italy, a country where history, art, and natural beauty intertwine to create a tapestry of unforgettable experiences. Italy is a country that truly has it all. From ancient ruins to Renaissance masterpieces, charming villages to bustling cities, Italy's diverse landscapes and rich cultural heritage will leave you breathless. Imagine yourself strolling through the ancient ruins of Rome. The Colosseum stands as a testament to the grandeur of the Roman Empire. Walk in the footsteps of gladiators and emperors. Feel the weight of history all around you. Italy's beauty extends far beyond its cities and towns. Mother Nature has truly outdone herself in this breathtaking country. We'll begin our journey by exploring some of Italy's most stunning natural wonders. Prepare to be amazed by towering mountains, sparkling coastlines, and serene lakes. First up, we venture to the Italian Alps, home to the majestic Dolomites, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These jagged peaks pierce the sky, creating a dramatic and awe-inspiring landscape. Imagine hiking through alpine meadows surrounded by wildflowers and the sound of cowbells in the distance. Prepare to have your breath taken away as we journey to the Amalfi coast. This stunning stretch of coastline in southern Italy is renowned for its dramatic cliffs, pastel-colored villages, and azure waters. Imagine driving along the winding Amalfi Drive, the road clinging precariously to the cliffside as you soak in breathtaking views at every turn. The Amalfi Coast is home to some of the most picturesque villages in Italy. Positano, with its cascading houses tumbling down to the sea, is a sight to behold. Explore the narrow streets, browse the local boutiques, and savor a delicious meal overlooking the Mediterranean. Our next stop takes us to the enchanting Italian Riviera, where we'll discover the breathtaking Cinque Terre. This string of 5 colorful villages, perched dramatically on rugged cliffs overlooking the azure Ligurian Sea, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its unique cultural and natural significance. Cinque Terre, which translates to 5 lands, is truly a walker's paradise. Ancient footpaths, some dating back centuries, connect the villages, offering breathtaking views of the rugged coastline and the endless horizon of the sea. We'll start our journey in Monterosso al Mare, the largest and perhaps the most accessible of the 5 villages. Here you can relax on sandy beaches that stretch along the coastline, swim in the crystal clear waters, and indulge in delicious seafood at seaside restaurants. Next, we'll embark on a scenic hike to Vernazza, considered by many to be the most beautiful of the Cinque Terre villages, with its vibrant houses and charming streets. Its picturesque harbor, filled with colorful boats and surrounded by quaint cafes, is a sight to behold. As the sun sets, the village is bathed in golden hues, creating a magical atmosphere. Stroll through the narrow streets, explore local shops, and savor the authentic Italian cuisine. Our journey continues to Corniglia, the only village not directly adjacent to the sea. Perched high on a cliff, Corniglia is surrounded by terraced vineyards and offers panoramic views of the coastline. To reach Corniglia, you'll need to climb a series of steps, but the effort is well worth it. Next, we visit Manarola, known for its picturesque setting and vibrant nightlife. The village's harbor is a hub of activity, with boats bobbing in the water and people enjoying the evening ambiance. Finally, we arrive in Riomaggiore, the southernmost village of Cinque Terre. Known for its stunning sunsets, Riomaggiore is the perfect place to end our journey. Each of these 5 jewels on the Italian Riviera offers its own unique charm and beauty, making Cinque Terre a must-visit destination. Whether you're hiking the trails, exploring the villages, or simply soaking in the views, the Italian Riviera promises an unforgettable experience. Italy's cultural heritage is as vast and impressive as its natural wonders. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the rugged cliffs of the Amalfi Coast, every corner of this beautiful country tells a story. From the ancient ruins of Rome, where emperors once ruled, to the Renaissance masterpieces of Florence, where art and science flourished, Italy is a treasure trove of art, history, and architecture. The Uffizi Gallery houses some of the most important works of the Renaissance, while the Leaning Tower of Pisa stands as a testament to medieval engineering. Prepare to be captivated as we delve into the heart of Italy's cultural heritage, exploring the canals of Venice, where gondolas glide through the water, and the serene beauty of the Tuscan countryside, dotted with vineyards and olive groves. We'll explore iconic landmarks that have shaped Western civilization, from the spiritual center of the Vatican City, home to the Pope and St. Peter's Basilica, to the stunning skyline of Florence, dominated by the majestic Duomo. Our journey begins in Rome, the eternal city. With its rich tapestry of history, Rome offers a glimpse into the past like no other place on earth. Here, ancient history comes alive before your very eyes. As you walk through the Roman Forum, you can almost hear the echoes of ancient voices and feel the presence of the great leaders who once walked these streets. Imagine standing in the shadow of the Colosseum, the largest amphitheater ever built. This iconic structure, with its grand arches and towering walls, has stood the test of time and remains a symbol of Rome's enduring legacy. Where gladiators once battled for glory, the Colosseum now stands as a monument to the ingenuity and ambition of the ancient Romans. Picture the roar of the crowd and the clash of swords as you explore its ancient corridors. Feel the weight of history as you walk through the Roman Forum, the bustling center of ancient Rome. Here, political debates, public speeches, and grand celebrations once took place, shaping the course of Western civilization. As you wander among the ruins, you'll discover the remnants of temples, basilicas, and monuments that tell the story of Rome's glorious past. Rome, the Eternal City, is a place where history whispers from every corner. It's a city that has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the birth of Christianity, and the flourishing of art and culture. Walking through Rome is like stepping back in time. Start your Roman adventure at the Colosseum, a symbol of the Roman Empire's power and grandeur. Imagine the roar of the crowd as gladiators fought for their lives. Explore the network of underground tunnels and chambers where animals were kept and gladiators prepared for battle. From Rome, we journey north to Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. This city on the banks of the Arno River is a treasure trove of art, architecture, and history. Prepare to be dazzled by the legacy of the Medici family, the powerful rulers who shaped Florence into a center of cultural and artistic excellence. Our first stop is the Galleria dell'Accademia, home to Michelangelo's David. This iconic statue, a masterpiece of Renaissance sculpture, depicts the biblical hero David in all his youthful strength and beauty. Stand in awe of Michelangelo's genius and the sheer artistry of this iconic work. Our final destination takes us to Venice, a city unlike any other. Built on a lagoon in the Adriatic Sea, Venice is a city of canals, bridges, and enchanting alleyways. Prepare to be transported to a world of romance, mystery, and unparalleled beauty. Begin your Venetian adventure with a gondola ride along the Grand Canal. Glide beneath ornate bridges, marvel at the grandeur of palazzos lining the waterways, and soak in the unique atmosphere of this floating city. Listen to the gentle lapping of water against the gondola and let the beauty of Venice wash over you. All right, my friends, ready to make your Italian dream a reality? Let's talk tips. Italy's calling, and we're here to make sure you answer with open arms and a well-packed suitcase. First things first, timing is everything. Spring and fall, pure magic. Pleasant weather, fewer crowds, perfect for exploring cobbled streets and soaking up that Italian sunshine. Now, transportation. Trains. They're your best friend in Italy. Efficient, scenic, and they whisk you through the countryside, giving you glimpses of those picture-perfect villages. Want to feel the freedom of the open road and rent a car and explore at your own pace, especially if you're venturing into those charming, off-the-beaten-path areas. Here's a secret to truly experiencing Italy. Embrace slow travel. Ditch the rush, savor the moment, and let Italy work its magic on you. Instead of trying to cram everything in, choose a few key destinations and explore them in depth. Imagine this. You're strolling through a local market, the air filled with the aromas of fresh produce, cheeses, and cured meats. You chat with the vendors, practice your Italian, and maybe even pick up some ingredients for a picnic lunch. Let's be honest, one of the best parts of traveling to Italy is the food. Get ready for a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. Italian cuisine is about so much more than just pizza and pasta, though let's be real, those are pretty amazing too. Each region of Italy boasts its own unique specialties, using fresh, locally sourced ingredients. In Emilia-Romagna, indulge in rich ragu alla bolognese and melt-in-your-mouth prosciutto di Parma. Italy offers something for every traveler, from the snow-capped peaks of the Alps to the sun-drenched beaches of Sicily. So how do you choose the perfect Italian escape for you? If you're an adventure seeker, the Dolomites are calling. Hike through stunning alpine scenery, go skiing in the winter, or try your hand at rock climbing. For a romantic getaway, the Amalfi Coast or Lake Como are sure to steal your heart. And there you have it, my friends. Our journey through Italy has just begun. A whirlwind tour of some of Italy's most stunning places, each with its own unique charm and story. From the towering peaks of the Dolomites, where the air is crisp and the views are breathtaking, to the romantic canals of Venice, where every gondola ride feels like a step back in time. From the ancient ruins of Rome, echoing with the whispers of history, to the colorful villages of Cinque, Terre, perched precariously on cliffs overlooking the sea, Italy has something to captivate every traveler. Whether you're an adventurer, a history buff, or a lover of art and culture, this country has it all. We've explored breathtaking natural wonders, from the serene lakes of the north to the rolling hills of Tuscany, each landscape more picturesque than the last. We've delved into the heart of Italy's rich cultural heritage, experiencing vibrant festivals, traditional music, and the timeless beauty of its architecture. And we've shared some insider tips to help you plan your own unforgettable Italian adventure. From the best times to visit to must-see attractions and hidden gems, we've got you covered. But remember, these are just a few highlights of this incredible country. There's so much more to discover, from the bustling markets of Florence to the tranquil beaches of Sardinia. Italy is a land of endless discoveries, where every corner holds a new surprise and every journey is a story waiting to be told. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to uncover its hidden gems and create your own unique experiences. Whether it's savoring the local cuisine, meeting the friendly locals, or simply soaking in the stunning views, your Italian adventure awaits. And let's not forget the food. Italy is a paradise for food lovers. From the rich, creamy pastas of Bologna to the fresh, tangy pizzas of Naples, every meal is a celebration of flavors. And for wine enthusiasts, the vineyards of Tuscany and Piedmont offer some of the finest wines in the world. Imagine sipping a glass of Chianti as you watch the sun set over the rolling hills. Art lovers will find themselves in heaven, with masterpieces by Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Raphael adorning the walls of museums and churches. And for those with a passion for fashion, the streets of Milan and Rome are a shopper's paradise, offering everything from high-end designer boutiques to charming local markets. Throughout the year, Italy hosts a variety of festivals and events, celebrating everything from film and music to food and wine. These events offer a unique glimpse into the local culture and traditions. And let's not forget the stunning coastlines. Whether you're exploring the rugged cliffs of the Amalfi Coast or relaxing on the sandy beaches of Sicily, the Italian coast offers something for everyone. So as we wrap up our journey, remember that Italy is more than just a destination. It's an experience, a feeling, a memory that will stay with you long after you've returned home. Your Italian adventure awaits. Are you ready to embark on the journey of a lifetime? As you explore Italy, don't be afraid to venture off the beaten path. Some of the most rewarding experiences happen when you least expect them. Get lost in the labyrinthine streets of a medieval town. Strike up a conversation with a local barista, or join a cooking class and learn the secrets of authentic Italian cuisine. Embrace the unexpected detours, the serendipitous encounters, and the moments that take your breath away. Italy is a country that rewards curiosity and open-mindedness, so be spontaneous, be adventurous, and let Italy surprise you. As you prepare to leave Italy, you'll realize that you're taking home much more than just souvenirs. You'll carry with you the memories of breathtaking landscapes, the flavors of delicious meals shared with loved ones, and the warmth of the Italian people. You'll find yourself reminiscing about the sound of church bells echoing through ancient piazzas, the aroma of freshly baked bread wafting from local bakeries, and the vibrant energy of Italian life. And that concludes our virtual journey through the wonders of Italy. We hope we've inspired you to experience the magic of this captivating country for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. We'd love to hear about your own Italian adventures. Share your favorite destinations, travel tips, and unforgettable experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts and spread the love for all things Italian.